Yeah, I am Rakesh Agrawal. He is my father-in-law, Mr. Raman Kotawala. He was having a problem of having a deep breath and he was unable to take a breath properly, unable to sleep. Then we consulted Dr. Ravinder Rao. We think he is one of the best amongst one of the best in India. Then he probably gave medicine for 6 to 7 months, but after 6 to 7 months, medicine didn't work on his body. Then he advised for the Mitraclip, and it was very successful. We think since last 3 years he's able to sleep properly, he's able to breathe properly. Now he can walk. He just climbed the 2 staircases today. So we are totally happy, and it was all done at Rajasthan Hospital, which is unbelievable.
We are very proud of this hospital and the doctors and nurses from.
And Dr. Ravinder Rao is one of the best. We think so.
Very well.
Thank you.
Thank you.